Today, we will learn the fastest method to find HCF. Find HCF of 54 and 36 using division method or Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 54 by 36, we get 1 as the quotient and 18 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 18 becomes the new divisor and 36 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 36 by 18, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 54 and 36 is 18. Got it? Thank you for watching. For such simple solutions, please subscribe to my channel.